Hey everyone, I'm Stephen Arvanites from nycscreenwriter.org. Well, I've been lucky enough to be chosen to be co-host of Real Talk for the HBO Summer Film Festival here in beautiful Bryant Park. So every Monday this summer we're going to do a different film, talk about the history of the film, we're going to do trivia, and just our general opinion. So we'll sort of be like Siskel and Ebert for the 21st century. But anyway, come join me. Our first film is One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, and we're going to do a Q&A and talk about the movie right now. So come on and join me.
And I'm pleased to welcome you back to the first of the Real Talks for the 2011 season, and we're going to be having a conversation about One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest with Scott Adlerberg in the white shirt and Stephen Arvanites in the red shirt. Both these, you're going to be.
So you really have a film right in the middle of the 70s that's right on the cusp of a new era and in the middle of a great era, and it's representative, I think, fully of that. What do you think?
It's part of the great tradition of the 1970s filmmaking where it wasn't polite. It dealt with real subjects and real people, and as a screenwriter, what I appreciate was that they're not formulaic. Movies of the 70s, such as Dog Day Afternoon, of course this one, if you look at them and compare movies, what you're all seeing in the multiplex now that you're paying $85 a ticket for in 3D, you'll see that a lot of movies today are cookie cutter. There's a formula. There's 3-act structure. And they're all 96 minutes, and they're all full of special effects. Well, what's beautiful about this film tonight, there was no special effects. It was a great director, great script, all wonderful actors, and executed in a really sort of has a very European sensibility because of the director Milos Forman, and that's what makes it so. What is the Academy Award figurine holding in his hands?
Isn't it a staff? Or?
A staff? No. Another guess? I just happen to have an Oscar here. Let me pull it out. He's carrying a sword. Yes, he's prepared. Oscar's prepared. And that's all for Real Talk for this week. So please come down to Bryant Park. We're here every Monday night for the entire summer and see a free film. Bring a picnic, bring wine, bring cheese, and bring your love of movies. So, again, I'm Stephen Arvanites for nycscreenwriter.org. And remember, keep writing.